this activity is called the reaction war. Olivia will shout out a number and I have to hit the number as quick as I can. We've placed the numbers high and we've placed the numbers low. So we'll show you how it works.
Okay. 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To make this activity more difficult and to challenge ourselves, we've added more numbers and I'm going to start facing away from the wall. Okay, Olivia? 1, 6, 3, 2, 1. You can have so much fun with this activity. We can change the ways that we turn. So for instance, instead of shuffling my feet, I'm going to jump around, touch the number. Okay. 6, 3, 2, 1.
The reaction wall activity is a great activity. You can have so much fun. Change our numbers around, change the way we touch, change the way we move. Enjoy the activity.